the opportunity name is Tyrus. Tyrus is always best and everywhere. If you want to be millionaire, just join Tyrus. Do not think that Tyrus will give. Tyrus will definitely give if you having a passion to be a millionaire, if you want to be a millionaire, and if you dream to be millionaire, then Tyrus can fulfill dreams come true through this opportunity, and that is because together we are a huge force. So huge force means you and every partner who is coming in this opportunity has to make a force, means has to invite partners in the program so that their movement can happen and you can claim number by number. I'll share in next slides how it will happen. I'll So friends, Taurus is basically a digital innovative ring plan. It's very unique plan across the globe. Tyrus is different. All the metrics plans, all the other plans running in the market, it's a very different plan. It's automated opportunity. You no need to wait that someone will upgrade or not. This is purely automated. Whosoever will come in this opportunity will definitely win the game. It's maybe today or it's maybe tomorrow. Or it's maybe after a year or 5 years. But the person will definitely win. This opportunity started in Russia and successfully running from 2000 started 17. Company started this project around 26th December 2016. The Tyrus is not a single opportunity. Here you can work in crypto, here you can work in gaming, here you can work in products, here you can work in blockchain, here you can work many more programs. Want to own a house, bungalow, then this opportunity Tyrus is also have the power that will give you a beautiful house on the beach or in Moscow, Turkey. You can also book a bungalow. So, friends, these are two partners. These are some brands. Crypt, it's a company. Exchange, Zero Stock Exchange. Tyrus Balance, it's a alag brand. It's associated with Tyrus. Konak Construction are the partner. Hayat Estate also the partner. Windstar Live, it's WNL token that is also associated with Tyrus. So, friends, these are some partners. These are two leaders, Dennis Stratton and Andrew Zatsif, who are running this project name on the name Tyrus with one vision. And vision is to approve and the power of network marketing that you can earn a very big amount here if you work as per the education by the system, as per the working in the system, or as per the metrics in the system. You will definitely reach the goal by paying only one time entry cost of license here. These are the projects, around 16 projects companies running investment in real estate. You can buy apartment in Moscow, Turkey. Company has running projects which are constructed by the big giants builders of world. Hayat Estate and Konak Constructions. Ring Road Metrics Marketing, we will discuss here about Ring Road Metrics Marketing. Company has a multi currency exchanger over on the name Pay to Crypt. Zero Stock Decentralized Exchange. Company has had Tyrus Wellness Health Products, which are currently in Russia. Tyrus Promotions, because company also working in the IT sector. Online casino on blockchain, online lottery on blockchain. You can play games casino, or you can also win lotteries through blockchain. WN cryptocurrency also associated P2 crypt we are discussed. Company also work in buying gold, diamonds. Recently, company is launching a very new project. It's a payment system on the name PayStars that will be coming by this month or by maximum by next month. BK Lab gambling platforms. So these are some wellness range that are currently available in Russia only. Paystar, this is a online platform which will be available to all the partners as per their subscription. But this card will be the e-card, or maybe in what form you can apply this card. The information will come very soon. Hayat Estates and Konak are big construction companies which are working as a partners with Tyrus. It's a very big companies, and Tyrus has a very good goodwill, so that because these are the big companies are working for Tyrus. So we are talking now Ringlord Metrics program. Here you have to one-time entry costs on the name of license. Its name start with easy. It's easy as his name because it start with only $10, and you can return back $10 as wellness bonus, which you can redeem when company will launch products in your country. For that, you have to contact with support team of the company. They will tell you when they will launch in your country. Another license on the name of Medium, it will start with 50. You will get again $50 as wellness bonus. Third license is Hard. It starts with $100 and you can get $100 as a reward. Fourth one is Grant. It will start with $1,000 and you will get here $1,000 as a reward. Friends, any partner who will be coming in this system, he has to come through easy only. No one can directly go for medium or hard or grind. It's step-by-step formulation. It's step-by-step upgrade if you want to do. Basically, we are working in $10. If you be building a team, a big team, then you can upgrade, move to 50 or then move to hard or grind as per your wish. There is no condition by the company that you have to activate medium, hard or grind. It's not a mandatory. You can work only in easy also. Only payment of $10 once in lifetime from your pocket will give you millions of income. How and what to do will cover next slides. We discuss the name of these rings are the name easy, medium, hard and grand. 10, 50, 100 and 1000. This is a Ringlord Metrics program. So there are 5 positions in every ring. Number 1 belongs to you. It's represent that this is your ring and your picture should be showing in the center of the ring, and 2, 3, 4, 5 are the partners which will be invited by you or by your team or your partners. How the ring can be filled? The rings can be filled. The 4 places I will discuss in last slide, 2, 3, 4, 5, how this position can be filled. Number 1 position already filled because you have entered in the system and you paid your ID with the license cost of $10 and your ID will be recognized as paid. How you will move forward? Now the rings can be filled because these 4 positions has to be filled. How can these positions can be filled? The first option you have, that is personal registration, means you have to invite people through your referral link in the global market anywhere from the world. Whosoever will registered with your referral link can be filled your rings. Another option is help from cross lines, means your uplines, other partners working, you can get spills from crossline. Help from above means from your upline, direct upline. And fourth one, help from below, means new partner through your referral program, and when they invite people they will also fill in the rings to move you forward to next rings. So let's it's a better to do power of 2, means in this system you have to appoint minimum 2 partners. This is not a condition to get the success. You have to do the formula. It's on the power of 2, means you have to invite minimum 2 partners. And suppose this is you, look at my slide on my cursor, this is you. When you invite 4 partners, first, second, third, fourth. If you invite 2 partners, this or this, when these people invite their first partner, they will come over here and here. Look at this picture and this picture are same, and it shows that the person invited by you or by any of the person, that will be reflect in 2 rings, here in the ring of this lady and in your ring also. And this person in showing at his ring number 1 and also showing at number 4 position. It's a power of 2. Duplicate the power of 2. If got to know that how to work a power of 2, then you can be definitely reach to ring 10. Now these are the rings. These are the combo rings 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. When you complete ring 1, look at my cursor, when you complete ring 1 by inviting or by filling up your ring by the ways, 4 ways I'll discuss earlier, your ID will move to ring 2. And when those people again come in your ring 2, how they will come, I'll cover next slide. Your ID will move to ring 3, and this will happen once, friends. This will happen once because it's showing purple arrow to moving to red. It's only one, and this will move on for unlimited time, because this ring 2 will give you income again and again. Similarly, it happens in 3 and 4, and first time ID will move to ring 5. After then always ID will move to 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Next is 5 and 6. Your working will happen in 5 and 6. 7 and 8, your working will happen in 7 and 8, and this is 9 and 10. I'll share in next slide again. So friends, look at this ring system. Y means you. A, your first referred partner. When you referred your first partner on the name A, he will be coming, she will be coming at this space number 1 position. When you invite B, that will come here in number 2 position. Now their rings will also open. Either C is referred by A or either C is referred by you. It will show in your ring when you invite C, or either C invited by A, it will show in your ring. Similarly, when D invited by B, it will show in your ring in number 4 position, and also it will show in at number 1 position or in ring B. So at this way you will get your ring completed, and you earned here first time $30. So friends, congratulations on the invite of 2 people, and those 2 people invite their first partner. Your earning will be $30, and your ID will be moved to ring 3. You cannot withdraw $30. I told you it's an automated opportunity. Ring 2 cost is $30, and when you complete your ring 1, that entire income will be upgraded by the system to buy ring 2. Now your ring 2 open. These are the last ring position. So we are here as of now. Now as Y means you, when A complete his ring, just like you, when A will complete his ring, he will come. Look at C. A has completed his ring. Now A will come in ring 2 of yours at number 1 position. Similarly, when B complete, B will come. Similarly, when C complete, C will also come, because all are earning $30, and now this ring has been with your $30, and these are all the 3 partners also came with $30. Now when D will complete his ring, he will also come in your ring, and you will be completed ring 2. Here you will get another earning of $90. Now how $90 can be distributed to you as an income? Let's move to next slide. Ring 1 costs $10, ring 2 costs $30. So when 4 people incur $10, you earn $30, and when the bunch of four people will come, they all will earn $30, and your income will be $90 because you complete ring 2. This time your re-entry will happen in ring 10 again, because in earlier slide I told you ring 1 will be buy again, and first time your next ring will be buy ring 3, cost is $50. Withdrawal will be $30. But when this cycle will come again, because your investment happened in ring 1, when your ring 1 again complete with the same system or with the same team, you will again move to ring 2 again. But next time your ID will transition will not happen for ring 3, and second time when you earn $90, from that $90 only $10 will be deducted as ring 1 cost, and your net withdrawal will be $80. So you will earn ring 2 $30 first time, and $80 will be again and again for lifetime. There is no end of numbers, n number of rings you can complete in your lifetime, and you will be earning $80 again and again from ring 2. Now when your ID move to ring 3, the persons first time, those persons when first time complete in your team, when they complete ring 2, they will move to ring 3 of you, and they will also come with the income amount of $50. They will also come, and your ring 3 will complete, and you earn here $150. But now you cannot withdraw $150 here because it's again an automated system. For $150, your ring 4 will be buy with the cost of $150. Full amount will be upgraded, and when the partners of your ring 3 complete their ring 3 with their four persons coming from ring 2 to their ring 3, and will move to ring 4, and they will come in your ring 4, and here you will complete ring 4. Now what will happen? Your earning will be $450. For this $450, your ID will move to for the first time to ring 5. That cost is $300, and your net withdrawal will be here $100. But when you complete ring 3 again and again come to ring 4, next time your withdrawal will be $400. Means from $450, the cost of $50 for ring 3 will be deducted, and your net withdrawal will be $400 again and again for unlimited rounds. There is no limit, there is no condition, n numbers of rounds you can complete. Either you can complete in a day, either you want to complete in a month, either you want to complete in 2 months. It's up to you how fast you and your team is working, and how fast you want to fulfill your dream, because there is no limit, friends. There is no limit at all in this system. Now this is a total matrix of working of how you can move to ring 10. So friends, the above line is the income of first time, and here the income is shown as earning again and again. When you complete ring 1 for first time, your ID will move to ring 2, and first time when you complete ring 2, your ID will move to ring 3, then ring 4, then ring 5, then ring 6, then ring 7, then ring 8, then ring 9, and then ring 10. Every time when you complete ring 2, your reinvestment will happen in ring 1 again and again. First time will move to ring 3, and after that it will come again and again to ring 1. And when you complete ring 4, first time it will move to ring 5, and it will again and again come to 3 and 4. It will work around this 3 and 4. Next time your ID will not move to ring 5, because you have already placed your first time entry with the cost of ring 5. It will also same matrix working in ring 5 and 6. It will happen same with 7 and 8. It will happen same with 9 and 10. Now ring 2, you will earning will be $30 first time, and earning again and again $80. Your ring 4 earning will be $100, and your earning unlimited rounds is $400 again and again every time. When you complete ring 6 first time, your withdrawal amount will be $900, and when you complete second to unlimited rounds, your every time earning will be $2,400. From ring 8, your first time withdrawal will be $3,000, and next time it will be $12,000 for unlimited rounds. There is no condition. And from ring 10, you will be earning $72 again and again, because there is no ring entry in 11. So whenever you complete ring 10, your re-entry will again enter in ring 9, and you will again come to complete ring 10, and you will again earn $72. It will flow for infinite times, and you are earning with these many dollars by paying only one from your pocket. You have paid $10 only once from your pocket. I have never say that you have to pay. This is totally upgradation system. Companies auto debiting the ring cost of every ring cost from your earning. It's auto system. uh, now these are the I tell you about easy ring. There is earning in medium ring. When you activate your first time medium ring, your earnings will be written here. From second ring, if you activate your medium ring, and after that your team also will activate $50 ring. I told earlier, no one activate $50 directly. He has to come through easy license. So you have to make working or make capable people in easy ring. Other projects, medium, hard, and grand, are purely non-working rings because no one can get directly there. Everyone has to come through easy, and you have to work in easy. By default, people who are earning and who understand this beautiful concept, they will definitely go for more money because they build their team, they build their efforts, they work on their efforts, and they have caliber to buy the next powerful license on the name Medium with $50. Here your earnings will be 5 times from Easy Ring. Means in Easy Ring you withdraw 3080, and in Medium you will withdraw 150-400. In Easy you withdraw from ring 4 is 100 and 400. In Medium you will withdraw $500 $2,000. It will 5 times earning from every even ring than Easy in Medium. Similarly, the same formula happens in hard. You will get 10 times earning than Easy. Friends, 10 times more earning than Easy. There is no end of this game. You have billions of money in your front. Company has given in your front. You have to work. Entire globe is empty. Entire globe is empty. Friends, you have very much people who are willing to work in other companies. They will come here definitely, and they will do Tyrus, because Tyrus is the opportunity which can fulfill dreams by default. But for that you have to work hard. You have to work. You have to appoint people. You have to work with team. You have to work online team, or you can work from home. There are so many digital ways for a promotion currently available in the market. You can promote through Facebook. You can promote to Instagram. You can promote to your local social media. You can promote it from WhatsApp. There are many apps available in the system or in this social industry. You can promote your business. You can also use Google Docs. You can also use Google Drive. You can also use Blogger. You can use YouTube. There are n number of social promotions available with you, but you have to think which tool or which is the mass tool you can use to grab your position and move on. And grant it's 100 times than easy. Now friends, this is a simple chart which is stating about the easy license, that when you complete ring 2 your earning will be 3080, 100 400, 900 2400. From ring 6, ring 8 it will be 3000, 12,000. I'm counting it again and again because I'm sharing it again and again, because this should be in your mind, because here earning is again and again. You are paying once but getting again and again. This is linear premiums. It's about the level income up to 5 levels. When you upgrade or activate your easy license, you will get 3%, 2%, 2%, 1 and 1% your from first 5 lines. When you activate Medium, you will again get from those 5 level partners again. When they will upgrade to 50, you will get again 53211%. When you upgrade to hard, you will get 73221 from the upgrade of hard license, and here you will get in grant 732 to 1%. So friend, these are the additional rewards other than the uh, level income and matrix income. When you complete ring 6 for the first time of easy license, you will get $100 and your status will be as a director in a company. When you complete 8th ring first time, you will get Apple iPhone status as a regional director. And when you complete 10th ring, you will be given status as international director with the reward of World Tour for one. These are licenses rewards of medium license. When you complete ring 6, you will get gold diamond ring, either it's man or woman, who whom either you want to buy for your, or you want to your spouse, or for any family members. You can take the money also from the company, and you will be awarded as a status silver director. When you complete medium 8th ring first time, you will get Apple MacBook with status as silver regional director. When you complete ring 10, you will get Ferrari car. It's dream car. It's a lovable car for everyone who wants to be a Ferrari car. You can earn here another than income. You can earn here when you complete ring 10 of medium license. You will get Ferrari car. There's a rewards belongs to hard license, gold bracelet for 6th ring, gold watch for 8th ring, and for 10th ring you will get an apartment in Spain or Turkey. This is the career opportunity of grant. When you complete grant ring 4 first time, you will get travel reward for 2 persons for 10 days. 6th ring completion, you will get car Mercedes, second car. When you complete 8th ring of grand, you will get apartment in Spain, Turkey, and on completion of 10th ring, here you are getting 72 lakhs dollars plus beautiful house on the beach. So friends, there is a very huge income, very huge options are there. There is another project, Fast Money. You can earn. I am just share you only easy license, medium, hard, and grand. You have to work in easy. And another project named Fast Money, because company has around 15 16 projects. Four we discussed. This is fifth project on the name Fast Money. It's a new earning opportunity to fast way in the form of license. Fast Money is a short 5 seat business. It's a 5 seat business table where you can receive an instant cash payment after closing. Means whenever you appoint 4 persons, you will get instant cash payment. How it will? Let's see the next slide. Fast Money is a perfect for beginners who do not yet have experience and a large team of partners. It's also a great opportunity for leaders to make money quickly and reliably. So this is a matrix. Fast 25 and Fast 75. It will start from Fast 25. You can directly activate Fast 75 also, or you can activate both in one time. Or if you activate 25 only, then it will, how it will function. Let's see. When you invite 4 persons of easy license, because here your easy license activation is mandatory, you have to activate $10 license. After that, you have to activate Fast 25. And when you invite 4 persons in Fast 25, your ID earning will be $75, and your ID will be auto by Fast 75 ring. But in a scenario, if you already bought 75 in the first slot, then you can withdraw that $75 because your license is already by the paying of money from your pocket. But if you not buy, then company will auto upgrade it to Fast 75. And when you complete Fast 75 for the first time, the people comes from Fast 25, or company people directly activate Fast 75 under you. Then you will complete it with the 4 people. Here your earning will be $225. From this $225, your ID reinvestment will happen in Fast 25 and your net withdrawal will be $200 again and again. There is no transaction will happen in next Fast Money. This is a combo of only Fast 25 with 75. Guys, make it clear. There is a only matrix Fast 25 75. Your ID will move 75, then your ID will move to 25 again. Again, you will earn 75. Your 75 will again bought, and your net withdrawal on completion of Fast 75 will be 200. It's also again and again for n number of unlimited rounds. These are the next other projects on the name Fast 150, 300, 600, and 1200. These are the only single metrics platform Fast 150, 300, 6, and 1200. In these systems, when you invite 4 people of 150 in 150, your earning will be 450 and your investment will be happen again in 150 or your net withdrawal with 300. Means on the cost of 150 you will on the cost of $150 once from your pocket. I'm saying it once, paying from your pocket, you will be getting $300 again and again and again, and numbers of Fast Money Matrix 150 you complete, you will get $300 again and again. Similarly, it happens in 300, you will be getting $600 again and again. If you bought 600, you will be getting $1,200 again and again for unlimited rounds. And from Fast 1200, you will be getting $2,400 again and again. So, friends, this is an income chart I'm sharing you. Whatever scenario, when 4 people will come with the cost of $150 after you or from your team, you will be getting $300. Same will happen in 300, 600, 1200. So, friends, how to get more fast earning? You can activate it with the combo offer also. Means if you activate or if you appoint team with the cost of $35 as a combo, means $10 of easy license and fast money $25. The total cost would be 35, and you're earning from the same metrics with the same team with the same entry of $35. Your earning will be 30 plus 200 from fast money. Your earning will be $230 first time, but next time it will be $280 again and again. From this $280, you can activate medium, or if you want to activate hard, it's up to you. Or you can also activate your fast 150. It's up to you. There is no condition by company. There is no condition that you have to activate or you have to upgrade next step. So this is the registration step. Registration has to be very carefully. You have to put in your phone number with your country code. Always verify the user ID. Whenever you signing up your ID, you should verify the person name should be showing here. It's just showing Andrew Zetsiv. It's at by default. The name should be here, the person who invited you. So you should please clarify or verify when you signing up the link. Enter your phone number with country code, then your email ID, and then username. It's your choice in small letters. Then your password in alphanumeric form. Then you can also have to update FIN code. It's a 5 numeric digit code that you will be required during withdrawal from income from Terrace. You should not, it should be shared with anyone. It should be only with you only. So whenever you withdraw, you should know this PIN code. You must written it on a piece of private paper or in a diary. Complete the captcha and complete your registration. So friends, how to activate your license? Log in your ID with email and password. In general, update your email ID in the box given and save verify the link received on your email. Always verify the email when you activating your ID. Before activating your ID, you must verify your email. Then go to profile settings, update your profile, upload your avatar and save or your picture, and update your name in the name field and save. In the menu options, go to license. You can take picture of this slide also. Scroll down the terms and conditions, submit agree button. Then you have to click on licenses. There are two options showing. Take the place is perfect money USD dollars, and second one is take the place Bitcoin. If you are paying your ID through Bitcoin, then must assure that you should do not use exchange. You should use Bitcoin wallet. Second, do not refresh the timer page on Iris page when you are going to pay from your wallet. After confirmation in your wallet that your amount has been paid and hash ID has been generated, and there should be one confirmation at least came in your wallet of the transaction, then you should have to refresh the page. Till then, you do not have to refresh the page. Otherwise, you have to raise a support ticket to team to activation of your ID. So you have to please have patience to be there on the screen up to 20 minutes. So friends, the payment system, I told you about the income part. Now how you will get it? It's payment mode is payment system. You can withdraw all your withdrawals in Perfect Money USD dollar. From that Perfect Money USD wallet, you can convert it your from any exchange to Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any of your Tron, or you can also use the options of banking given by the Perfect Money wallet in their settings wall. You can also use that options to withdraw your funds from the earning received from Tyrus. So friends, thanks for watching.